Hi guys, so yes, it's me with another video in a space of 2 months. I told you guys I'd be a bit more consistent, and I promise as I continue, the gaps will get closer and closer. Today I'm here to show you my tilapia recipe video. I mean, tilapia is one of my faves and it's one of the dishes that minutes now, and it's time to turn over. So what I'm going to do now is turn it over and then cover the heads with foil, because when you make tilapia the heads tend to burn quicker. So to stop this from happening, after the first round, just cover the heads in foil, as you'll see in the next photo. I've flipped the fish so that the other side can also now cook. I've also covered the head with foil to stop it burning any further. This will now go back into the grill to cook for another 12 to 15 minutes. So after another 12 to 15 minutes of grilling, the tilapia is now done, ready to enjoy. And I had mine with fried yam, kelewele, I even had shito, bakbo shito, which is the green shito, and red pepper. And I really enjoyed it. And of course, topped the tilapia with some onions. If you'd like to see how I made all these sides, do comment below and I will be happy to show you how I made them. I really hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy your tilapia.